coding is good for everybody and you should code too.
Coding is the most funnest thing on whatever it's called.
On the planet.
Coding is super good because it helps you make new things and new games to help people in school and different places.
So one of the things that I'm excited to share about with Dash is that we had our fall PD with Logix Academy and we had a huge technology summit. There were so many choices, like there was ChatGPT, using AI in the classroom, but one of them looked like this cute little robot Dash. And I fell in love with Dash when I saw the little demo of him like shooting a basketball into a hoop. And I was like, what? What is that? How does that work? How can you make that happen? And so one of the guys there, Keith, talked to me a little bit. And then I got to go to a session and I learned how to use variables because really before this, I knew that coding existed. I'd heard of Java and HTML back in the day when I was going to high school, but I've never really done any programming or coding. So I thought it was really nice how Dash gives blocks for coding and how kids can take a concept or a skill that's really hard and they break it down and make it so user-friendly. So one of the things that I love is just how exciting that Dash makes learning here in the classroom. It's beyond like regular worksheets or word work or math. We've got so many great skills that it's hard to put a finger on or put into writing, like problem solving, cooperative learning with each other, and how to actually be resilient and persistent. And so I know we talk a lot about resilience and how we want kids to not just give up so easily. We want them to keep pushing and keep going. It's so amazing to see the kids and all that they can do. They've been teaching me a lot of things, and I just keep finding that their solutions are really unique and creative. So today you're going to be using your Dash robot to program Dash to pick up 3 riders. But then all of a sudden, a 4th rider is going to come and you're going to have to say, sorry, can't ride, because your sled can only have 3 riders. After you pick up your 3 riders and say sorry to your 4th rider, because there's not enough room on the sled, you're going to make Dash go from your start line all the way up to the snow hill. Once Dash reaches the snow hill, you need to have him turn. And I've shown that you need 90 degrees or greater. And we'll talk about those angles and degrees in just a minute. After he's done his turn, you're going to have him slide right down and finally celebrate. I want to go over a few simple coding things that you've been learning about. So one of those ones is that these blocks that are orange are for sound. The purple ones are for animation. That's how you make him dance. So the sound ones can be used to greet the riders and say hi, and the purple one can be used to do the dance or celebration at the end. All right, you already know that the drive menu has these green blocks. The drive menu has forward, backward, and it shows how far Dash goes. We know that they go in multiples of 10 centimeters every time. And so one of the cool things was that we've used that repeater mode to make Dash go really far. All right, let's get into our groups and let's start programming Dash to meet our challenge.
So basically what he's gonna do, he's gonna go forward and then he's gonna turn
120 degrees?
yeah, 120 degrees, and then he's gonna go another straight, and then he's gonna do his dance.
Okay, are you going to show us how it's done?
Yeah. Go Dash.
What are we going to do?
Run my time.
Excellent. Here we go.
Then turn. Exactly on the door and then all that.
Celebration!
To the dance. To the dance.
So I like coding because it's a very creative thing. You can make like thousands and thousands and thousands of little things. Even though they take very long, I think it's worth the wait. When it's done, you can make a whole mechanism and make it do a whole world, make it do anything you like.
Actually, I like coding because without coding, you really can't play like any game on your phone or anything. Because coding actually helps you do a lot of more things to keep you busy. Like you could create your own games, you could play games, and more.
So do you think coding will be something you want to do when you grow up?
Yeah, because it will help you make new things and like games.
It truly is really simple to get the Dash robot package in your classroom, to start with Make Wonder and using Blockly in the classroom. So if you have any idea that you might want to try something new, please be sure to check out the Dash robots and get going with Blockly. You'll have a great time with these Dash robots learning alongside your students.